All right, my home cooks and chef. Today I got something a little simple and easy. Today we're gonna be making crab cakes. Well, I'm gonna do a little spin and do some crab balls, you guys. Now I got a secret ingredient, so I want you guys to stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hey, you guys, I really appreciate you guys hanging in there. Don't forget to leave, a comment in the description below. Everything helps out, and make sure you thumbs up, you guys. Let's get into the ingredients. All right, so we're gonna get ready to make the custard for the crab cakes. So first thing you want to do is have your mayo in here. So first the mayo, then we're gonna add the mustard in next. Now you can get creative, get some Cajun mustard, Creole mustard, spicy mustard, or just regular yellow mustard. After that, you want to add in your onions. So you can get red onions. I'm using a yellow onion for sweetness. This for crunch. Now you don't have to have this. With crab cakes you can actually build. Next you want to add in your seasoning. It's parsley and lemon pepper from Mrs. Dash and Old Bay seasoning. All right, you guys, let's mix it up. All right, now you want to add 1 beaten egg. That's your binder for your crab cake. And a little bit of your hot sauce. And a little black pepper. And that's it. Just mix all the ingredients up. We're gonna get into adding this into your lump crab. Almost forgot W sauce. So put your Worcestershire sauce in. That's it. Mix all these ingredients up. And now it's time to create this amazing crab cake or crab balls. Let's get into it. All right, so here's our lump crab. We're gonna add in our custard. We're not gonna add it all in. We want to see how thick it is. You don't want your crab cakes runny, so you can just do it little by little. Don't just dump it in because it might be too much or too little. So this is how you check it out. So we're gonna mix it up, mix all the ingredients in, and see where we're at with it. The last ingredient is Panko breadcrumbs. Now you only need a little bit of this, so this is just to dry it up. Like I said, that's about good enough. You don't want it too breaded up. Some people like to do it overly breaded. I like more crab than I do bread. So, I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna actually mix this in. This helps it dry up all the, moisture. And we're gonna get ready to, I'm gonna show you when I'm the little secret ingredient that I'm gonna put on top of it to finish it up. And we're gonna put this in the air fryer, you guys. So see you over at the air fryer. All right, so first thing you want to do is just get a ball of the crab, roll it up, squeeze it. If it's too much, squeeze a little bit of it off. What I want to do is make a ball of it. So just make a ball like that. And this is the secret ingredient I'm going to add on to it. Something different. So that's going to be the anything bagel seasoning. And just sprinkle it over. So just sprinkle the anything bagel seasoning over it. What I like to do is put it on the board too, roll it around in it and put it to the side. So I'm gonna do one more and then we're gonna get ready to put it into the air fryer. So these are, if you wonder, these are crab cakes. We're making crab balls with them, crab cake balls. All right, so it's ready. Just put them in the bottom. Spread them out. Pretty much ready. So let's finish it. I'll show you when they're done when they're over with. Alright, so it's done, you guys. Looks like they came out pretty good. What y'all think? So these little crab balls were very simple and easy in the Ninja Foodi grill. You know, let me know in the comments, have you ever tried to put crab cakes in your air fryer? I know they came out really good and crisp. What you think? Let me know. Came out pretty good. The all thing bagel seasoning came out good too as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I did. I'm about to get down and get my grub on, you guys. Let me know in the comments, have you did crab cakes before, or you did salmon cakes, or salmon croquettes. Let me know if you ever tried it before, but I hope you guys have definitely enjoyed this easy and simple crab cake recipe. It's mine. If you want to see the rest of the ingredients, they'll be in the description below. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, guys. And my motto is, food feed the soul. See you in the next one.